Hey, welcome to the channel everyone. Thanks for clicking on this video. Let's get right into the action. Elson Sangu is neither married nor has children. After the release of the series Rent a Love, fans began speculating about a possible romance between her and her co-star Bahar Arduç. However, these rumors turned out to be untrue, as Bahar is happily married to another Turkish actress. The heightened attention to her personal life forced Elson to postpone her wedding with her partner, artist Yunus Öztekin. Although the couple has been together since 2011, she decided to delay the celebration to a later date. In 2020, the comedy film Layla Everlasting premiered. The movie tells the story of a wealthy businessman, Adam, who schemes to kill his wife Layla to be with his lover, Nergis. However, all his attempts to get rid of his wife fail miserably, leading to a series of absurd and hilarious situations for him. That same year, Elson appeared in the series In Sadness and Happiness. She portrayed Layla, a wedding planner whose fiancé left her at the altar 5 years ago. Since then, her personal life has been a series of disappointments. While organizing a wedding for her boss's daughter, Layla is shocked to discover that the groom is none other than her ex-fiancé. Despite her busy schedule, Elson is very active on social media, sharing glimpses of her life with her followers. In an interview, the actress revealed that her ultimate dream is to portray the late Princess Diana. With her talent and elegant figure, this goal seems entirely achievable. Standing 169 centimeters tall and weighing just 43 kilograms, Elson exudes sophistication and grace. Before you go, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.